you once again for taking your time out to watch the videos here at National Gear. We appreciate you viewing this. This year was one of our Raymond mailboxes. We are now at the finish line. However, our customer is in such a need of his equipment that we do not have time to epoxy paint this and let it dry. So we're gonna give it you will see in the video, in the before and after pictures, it won't be fully painted. The customer opted out painting. He just wanted to get the primer and get on the road and head back out there. This box is pretty much done here. We're assembling our final bolts. Our backlash is perfect. Our preload and our bearing float is ideal for Raymond mill, air classifier. Sometimes we call it an air separator, depending on what part of the country you're at. But please don't forget that National Gear Repair specializes in 24-hour rush repair, and all our work here is tested, warranted, and certified for 24 months from the date of installation. So if we happen to repair a gearbox for you and you don't put it in production to a couple of 2, 3, 4 years, your warranty actually starts when you drop it in production. So thanks again for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And it'd be nice if you leave a nice comment. Thank you very much.